A journey through time, exploring historical eras. Join us on an exciting journey through time as we explore various historical eras, from the Stone Age to the modern age. Throughout history, civilizations have risen and fallen, leaving behind a legacy that shapes our world today. In this educational video, we will delve into the evolution of human societies, the key inventions that have shaped the course of history, and the profound impact these eras have had on the world. Welcome to our channel. This video was made with love. So don't forget to subscribe and like for more similar clips. Let's begin. Introduction. Welcome to a journey through time, exploring historical eras. In this captivating video, we will embark on a voyage across millennia, uncovering the secrets of the past and discovering how they have influenced the present. From ancient civilizations to the technological advancements of the modern era, each period of history has its own unique story to tell. The Stone Age. Our journey begins in the Stone Age, a time when early humans roamed the earth as hunter-gatherers. During this period, our ancestors crafted tools and weapons from stone, bone, and wood, laying the foundations for future technological advancements. We will explore the lifestyle of early humans, their methods of survival, and the cultural practices that emerged during this time. The Bronze Age. Next, we travel to the Bronze Age, a period characterized by the rise of metalworking and the development of complex societies. As humans learned to smelt copper and tin, they unlocked new possibilities for innovation and trade. We will investigate the Bronze Age civilizations of Mesopotamia, Egypt, and the Indus Valley, examining their achievements in architecture, art, and governance. The Classical Era. Our journey continues into the Classical Era, a time of great intellectual and cultural flourishing in ancient Greece and Rome. From the philosophical teachings of Socrates and Plato to the engineering marvels of the Roman Empire, this period saw unprecedented advancements in art, literature, and governance. We will delve into the achievements of ancient scholars, architects, and statesmen, whose legacy continues to shape our world today. The Middle Ages. As we move forward in time, we encounter the Middle Ages, a period often characterized by feudalism, knights, and castles. However, this era was also a time of innovation and exchange, as medieval Europe saw the rise of universities, trade routes, and new forms of artistic expression. We will explore the diverse cultures of medieval Europe, the contributions of Islamic scholars in the Golden Age of Islam, and the impact of the Crusades on global interactions. The Renaissance. In the Renaissance, Europe experienced a rebirth of learning and creativity, as scholars rediscovered the wisdom of the ancient world and artists revolutionized the visual arts. From the scientific discoveries of Leonardo da Vinci to the literary masterpieces of Shakespeare, this period marked a pivotal moment in human history. We will examine the achievements of Renaissance thinkers and artists, whose ideas continue to shape our understanding of the world. The Age of Exploration. The Age of Exploration ushered in an era of global interconnectedness, as European explorers ventured to distant lands in search of new trade routes and territories. From the voyages of Christopher Columbus to the circumnavigation of the globe by Ferdinand Magellan, this period reshaped the world map and ignited cultural exchanges between East and West. We will investigate the impact of exploration on indigenous peoples, the spread of diseases, and the rise of global trade networks. The Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution brought about unprecedented changes in society, as mechanization and mass production transformed economies and lifestyles. From the invention of the steam engine to the rise of factories, this period witnessed rapid urbanization and social upheaval. We will explore the consequences of industrialization on labor conditions, urban life, and the environment, as well as the emergence of new social movements advocating for reform. The Modern Age. Finally, we arrive in the modern age, a time defined by technological innovation, globalization, and the pursuit of human rights. From the telegraph and telephone to the internet and smartphones, the modern era has witnessed exponential advancements in communication and transportation. We will examine the challenges and opportunities of globalization, the impact of revolutions and wars on global politics, and the ongoing quest for justice in the 21st century. Conclusion. As our journey through time comes to an end, we reflect on the rich tapestry of human history and the lessons it teaches us about resilience, creativity, and the power of human ingenuity. From the earliest civilizations to the present day, each era has left its mark on the world, shaping the course of our collective destiny. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the past, may we be inspired to create a future that honors our shared heritage and embraces the diversity of human experience. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary voyage through time.